Welcome to the Decoded Charts. In this series, we're going to break down real charts, decode price action, and build a strong understanding of technical analysis from the ground up. You'll learn how to read market structure, identify liquidity, recognize key zones, and understand the logic behind price movements. Most importantly, we'll show you how to stack multiple confluences before entering a trade instead of relying on a single signal. The goal is to help you understand why a setup works, how the pieces come together, and how to approach the market with a structured and logical mindset. So let's begin. The first thing we notice clearly on this chart is a well-defined trend line. So we begin by marking it out as our starting point. This trend line highlights that price is currently in a bullish uptrend, consistently making higher highs and higher lows as it moves upward. However, despite this bullish structure, we are looking for a reversal, anticipating that this trend line may eventually break down and signal a shift in overall momentum. With this context in mind, we can now begin layering in further confluences to build a strong case for a bearish reversal setup. And here, exactly at this point, we can clearly identify CRT model forming on the chart. As price moves into the next candle, we see it interact with this range in a way that gives us valuable insight into where smart money intends to take price next. So, let's break down exactly what CRT is. In simple terms, candle range theory is built around the idea that a single candle's high and low, referred to as the CRT high and CRT low, represents a defined range within which price has traded, and this range often holds significant meaning for what happens next. As we can see in this diagram, the first candle, shown here in blue, establishes our CRT high and CRT low, essentially creating a boundary or a container for price. This candle acts as our reference range, and everything that follows is judged in relation to these two levels. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The very next candle, shown here in black, is the one we watch closely because its behavior in relation to the CRT high and CRT low tells us a story about where smart money is likely directing price next. If this second candle sweeps above the CRT high, taking out that liquidity, but then fails to close beyond it and instead reverses back down into the range, this is a strong signal that price is being manipulated upward simply to grab liquidity before reversing lower, giving us a bearish CRT setup. Conversely, if price sweeps below the CRT low, taking out sell-side liquidity, but then reverses back up into the range without sustaining the move, this signals a bullish CRT setup, suggesting that price is likely to head higher from here. And this is exactly the model we've marked out on our chart. This time, given the strength and clarity of this CRT model, there's a high probability that once this pattern completes, price will most likely proceed to break the trend line we identified earlier. The formation of this CRT model at such a critical juncture strongly suggests that smart money has already positioned itself in the opposite direction of the current trend, setting the stage for a potential breakdown. Rather than jumping into a trade immediately based on the CRT model alone, patience becomes key here, as we want additional confirmation before committing to an entry. So, at this stage, we simply wait and watch for the trend line to actually break, rather than anticipating the move prematurely. Finally, the trend line gets broken, confirming the shift in momentum we had been anticipating, and this is where we take our short entry, right at the point of the trend line break. We place our stop loss just beyond the high of the CRT candle, giving the trade enough room to account for any minor retracement while still protecting us in case the setup fails to play out. For our target, we aim for at least a 1-to-3 to 1-to-4 risk-to-reward ratio, as the strength of this setup justifies pushing for a more ambitious target. This confidence comes from the fact that the entire previous uptrend has now been structurally compromised, with the trendline break signaling that the bullish momentum is no longer valid. Don't forget to subscribe And make sure to follow the full Decoded Charts series to gain the knowledge and tools you need to tackle the market with confidence.